Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on July 15th, and JP Morgan earned $4.8 billion with a B in the second quarter. That was net, so that helped boost up a little bit of this price. And the S&P 500 ETF, a lot of economic data came out, however, and it was mixed. Some good, some not as good. However, we're still selling off a little bit, and this is undeniable pre-market sentiment read to my eye. And so I'm going to be really careful how I go along after a multi-bar rally into resistance on a daily chart here on the SPY anyway. Not saying we can't go higher, but after this is looking like we need a time to consolidate. A lot of times that kind of news in a different type of pattern could have taken us up much higher. So I'm just noting that right now, watching how we're making lower swing highs. All these lines were dropped in from yesterday actually, and they're holding up even now. So 109.90, good support. The round number 110 broken becomes support. Gets slammed through, becomes resistance. 110.10 even, resistance broken, then again slammed. So a lot of things to pay attention here to today. If you take a larger time frame, a larger look at where we are, you can see that this is just a beautiful move back up and another test of this 110.50 mark. So great move up, sell off, again lower swing high, chopping around, equal swing low. So all things being equal, this is really nothing more than a big continuation of this consolidation between 109, the 110, and now 110.50 mark, not once but twice. So really nice test of that. 60-minute chart shows it even better. Again, just a really nice high base consolidation. It helps to strip out some of the emotion based on higher time frames here that you might get just by focusing only on very small time frames. Stay true to your time frame, I would say, and how you're trading, and just take note of these events. Use those as a way again to gauge that market sentiment. We could continue this nice little beginning of a symmetrical triangle through here and break out to the upside too. Just make sure you have market internals behind you, and the stocks you're trading in have relative strength or weakness if you're going to short it. And that's good stuff, everybody. So best case scenario would be a consolidation on a larger time frame to the bull side. But remember our overhead resistance we have above us, 111 and the 200 MA. And if we do start selling off, which would not be unnormal, then we would be looking for a higher swing low at this gap fill. So good stuff. Lots of support at 109 and change, and then of course 108 in the gap fill, like I said. So good stuff. That's what I'm looking for in the broad markets today, and comparing that to our individual stocks. So good stuff. I will be with you around noon to see how things are shaping up, and have a great trading morning, everybody.